guys, today I'm going to show you how you can unlock your Mini Militia Pro Pack in free without cost. As you know that in the older versions of Mini Militia, we need to unlock Pro Pack to get some guns and some new outfits. So today I'm going to show you how you can unlock it in free without cost. I think it costs you 139 rupees to purchase. So first of all, I will tell you that my Mini Militia Pro Pack is not unlocked, but how you can unlock it in free without cost. For that you need two apps, Hex Editor Free and APK Editor. So first go to Mini Militia. As you can see that it is saying that we need Pro Pack to unlock the other outfits and it is not purchased. So first you need Hex Editor and APK Editor for it. First of all, I have given a link of a hex code in the description. You download it and then you will see that this is the address to find the Pro Pack unlocking codes. So first of all, go to this address in Hex Editor free. First of all, open APK Editor, select APK from app, select Mini Militia and click on Simple Edit. Go to LIB folder, Hermiba V7A, and then select this libcocos2.dgcp file. Store it in any folder. Select this file and store it in any folder. I am saving it in APK Editor folder only because I store all the files in APK Editor Pro folder only. Then go to Hex Editor free. And I want to tell you that when you download Hex Editor, I will tell you which one you have to download. Don't download this top Hex Editor. Don't download this one. You need to download Hex Editor free, not this one. This one, Hex Editor free, the second number one. Don't download the first number one Hex Editor. Go to Hex Editor now. Click on Open File. Allow the permissions and then locate the folder where you have stored that file. Now click on that file and then click on this button, this top one. Click on this button and then type the address there. So address is 5CFA30. So type that address here, 5CFA30. Okay, and now you will reach this place. Now you need to replace it with this C3048-2DE908B08DE2 and see here also 3048-2DE908B08DE2. Replace it with the other one. Click on this and click on the cross button to rename it, and then type the next code 01 and then click on this arrow to replace the other files. Rename it 00. A0. You need to replace 2D with A0. E9 with E1. Sorry, E3, because E1 is for other things like unlimited ammo. 1E B0 FF 8D 2F E2 E1. So now for E1, this is the last code and it is the main code for unlocking Pro Pack. Don't just replace other codes, replace this code also. It is the main code. Now go to APK Editor, select your Mini Militia, Simple Edit, lib RMB and replace it with that libcocos file and then save it. it is working. So it is working. It will take a few minutes only. Now remove the old mini militia. Click on remove and click on OK. Now install the new edited mini militia. Click on install and then again click on install. It is installing. Allow. And I want to tell you that these hex codes will work only for mini militia version 4.2.8, not for mini militia 4.3.3 and older versions than it. Only for 4.2.8 this hex code will work. Now it is done. Let's check mini militia now. Let's check. So as you can see that we can get the other outfits now. It means that the pro pack is unlocked. Let's check in the pro pack dialog box. Oh, our pro pack is purchased in free. Isn't it interesting that you are getting pro pack in free without cost? And I want to tell you that if you buy pro pack, you need to pay 139 rupees to miniclip.com. But in this way, you can unlock your pro pack in free without money. Please share this video with other users also, so that other mini militia players can get to know how they can unlock their pro pack in free. Let's take the gameplay and check that the guns which we get from pro pack have been unlocked or not. So as you can see that we are getting sniper. We get sniper with pro pack only. Without pro pack we can get sniper. But now we are getting sniper in free. So let's fly up and see that the other guns also. You can see that sniper we are getting in free. We don't have to pay just 1 rupee also. Sniper in free we are getting. And this is without cost also, not 1 rupee also we have to waste. So let's check that we are getting RPG also. Oh, we are getting RPG also. We get RPG only from pro pack, but we are getting RPG in free now without wasting 1 rupee also. RPG we are getting in free. Please like the video. If you like this video, please like the video. In this way you can unlock your pro pack in free. And I want to tell you that please see my website also. There are some more modes. So please check my website also. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.